If you are looking for a budget-friendly studio mic for your live stream setup in 2026, meet the Fifine AM8 PROT studio mic. The AM8 PROT comes with a boom arm stand which has various RGB lights on the boom arm stand, and on the body of the mic it also has its own RGB light. It has two ways of connecting audio. You can use the USB-C port on the body, which you can connect to your phone to record or to your laptop to record, and you also have the XLR port which you can connect to your audio interface. And on the body of the mic it has the tap to mute feature. This is how the tap to mute feature works. Once you tap, and now I've tapped on it to unmute. This feature is very great, especially when you are streaming and you want to quickly mute. You can just tap the body to mute your audio. And also on the body it has the volume control. Now the volume controls three things. It controls the mic, it controls the headphone, which you can see this headphone I'm currently wearing is connected directly to the mic and I'm hearing myself as I'm talking. And if you are connected to your laptop, you can control the volume from this knob on the body of the mic. And if you want to control the volumes, all you just need to do is to press on it. As you can see, I've pressed on the headphone. Now I can increase the volume of my headphone. If I tap on it again, it will move to the next option, which is to control the audio on my system. And once I now go back, this is the volume from the mic. I'm just going to volume and increase the volume of the mic as you are currently hearing now. And the audio you are currently hearing is the audio coming from the USB-C port. I'm going to be switching to the XLR audio coming from this mic. This is a sound check using the XLR port on the AM8 PROT mic. Now let's come over to the body of the mic. At the back it has the USB-C port, which is for your audio, and the USB-C port controls the RGB light you are currently seeing on the body of this mic. Next you have the XLR port and you have the headphone port, which you can see my headphone is currently connected and my XLR is also connected and the USB-C is connected at the same time. You also have the button for the RGB. You can change the RGB light to match into your setup, and at the front this is the volume knob and this is the sensor to tap to mute on this mic. As you can see, this is the RGB on the body of the boom arm. In the box it comes with the dynamic microphone with the windscreen, 8.2 feet 2.5 m USB cable, RGB boom arm stand, DEX clamp and user manual. This mic was sent to me by Fifine for this review and you can get it on AliExpress or Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description and on the pinned comment so you can check it out. The important things you need to keep in mind regarding the RGB light on this mic is that if you want to use the XLR port and connect it to your audio interface, the RGB light will not show. If you want the RGB light to show, you have to connect the Type-C cable to the mic directly so that this RGB light on the body of this mic can show. Now for the RGB light on the boom arm stand, if you want the RGB light to show, you have to make sure the Type-C cable on the boom arm stand is connected and the Type-C cable for the mic directly is connected, so you can be able to use it with your audio interface. And the RGB light on the body syncs with your voice. As you can see, once I stop talking, the RGB light will stop working. Now as I'm talking, the RGB light is showing on the body. Next, we're going to head over to OBS Studio and I'm going to show you how to set it up in OBS Studio, and that to also set up the mic on your PC once you newly connect it. Once you click on the audio on your system and come to the audio panel over here, come over to recording, and under recording just scroll down, and once you scroll down, this is the microphone. Double click on it and come to listing. Now once you come to listing, this place here will be unchecked. Click on it and enable it and come to playback over here, and this is where you can be able to set it. It will be on default. You can set it to your headphone or any other output you want to use. If you have speaker connected, you can set it to speaker. Now on the volume, on the levels over here, this is where you can be able to adjust the volume from your PC, and you also have the advanced settings. I'm just going to click on OK and head over to OBS Studio. Now once you open your OBS Studio, come over to settings under controls, click on audio over here, come to mic/auxiliary audio, click on it and select the microphone. You will see the Fifine AM8 Pro. Click on it and click on apply, and once you're done, just click on OK. Now as you can see, it is showing over here. I'm just going to reduce it, and as you can see, it is very easy to set up in OBS Studio for your live stream. And if you are looking for a professional microphone that comes with a boom arm stand, RGB light, and has XLR ports, USB-C, and other powerful features, then the AM8 Pro is the best mic for you. You can click the link in my bio to check it out, and the mic is going for less than $100. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about media, the link to join my Telegram channel is in the description. Click the link to join. My name is Ebenezer from Usa Studio. See you in my next video.